My name's Jason Williams from Candalepas Associates, and we are at Watson's Bay at the Lee House, and we're actually talking about something that you can't see, but it's very important, which is waterproofing. The particular house that we're at is actually in a floodplain, so it was very important that we selected a reliable waterproofing membrane product that we could be sure would last in the long term and would keep all water out. And so the product that we decided to go with is the Wolfin membrane supplied by Projex Group. And Projex Group are really helpful to architects during the process of design and development, because we would send them all of our detailed drawings and they would review them and advise where we needed to make adjustments to the waterproofing design. Amongst all this architectural beauty are the unsung heroes, the parts of the building you can't see, and Projex Group absolutely deliver when it comes to waterproofing.